Hey everyone, so it's been a little while since I've done a video, so I'm just jumping on really quickly. I've got a new puppy and I literally have a couple of minutes. So I've got a bit of a tan from holiday. I've got lid lift enhance on the back of my hand. I need to take the dog for a walk basically. So I'm going to conceal where I need it. I'm lucky that I've got a tan, which I don't usually have. As most of you will know, I'm usually very pale, but I've just been away with the girls to Spain, which was fabulous and very much needed. So I'm going to put the lid lift enhance on the areas that I want to conceal, plus where I want to lift my eyelids. I'm telling you, I am seriously sleep deprived. First few days puppy had me up, I probably had 2 or 3 hours sleep a night. I've got now to the last few days between sort of 5:30 and 6:30, which feels a lot better, but hopefully she's getting there. She's only 12 weeks. Little black Labrador called Poppy. So I'm just covering here where I need to. Again, I don't do any sort of fancy techniques or anything. I just do what's quick and easy for me, just to make sure that I just feel a little bit brighter. I know I'm only going on a walk, but you never know who you might meet on a walk. So yeah, covering these. I've got quite a few sort of age spots and damage a little bit from the sun as well, although I am pretty good with my SPF. So I'm going to even all of that out. I'm pretty happy with that. So I've got no tinted moisturizer or anything on today. I've just got a really moisturizing serum and moisturizer and a little bit of SPF, but it's not tinted because I have a bit of a tan. So I'm quite happy with that as a base. It's concealed and it's just lifted my eyes there. I'm going to then use, because my hair is a little bit lighter, what do you think of the new hair, by the way? I am going blue, but this is a temporary fix for the next few months. Blonde. So I've gone brown with the NBD, which is still quite dark because I do like my eyebrows dark, but I was wearing black when my hair was dark. But I'm going in with brown. It just feels a little bit more subtle, but I do quite like them anyway, quite dark. So I need to get my eyebrows threaded, but look already at the difference that has made. I already feel like I actually got 8 hours. I didn't get anywhere near. I'm going to use 2 different shades today of HTG, Peach Moonstone and African Ruby. My top is orange and I quite like this Peach Moonstone when I just want a natural glow. It's really subtle. Can you hear the puppy crying? She's like, why aren't you paying me attention? So yeah, this is a really natural highlight. Just to sort of lift and brighten there and just make me have that sort of natural glow. And then I'm going to use the African Ruby on my lips, but first I'm going to line them with SSL. Beautiful shade for all skin tones. I'm only lining, and then very quickly before it dries I'm smudging it in just to give me a bit of a base. Now this will stay all day. It's fabulous lip liner, lipstick, lip plumper. African Ruby, sorry, Poppy's going crazy, can you hear her? African Ruby over the top, really nourishing, just gives me a little pop of colour, and I think the two together blend really nice with my orange top. In fact, I might go over that Peach Moonstone a little bit and give it a little bit more depth. I said I was only going on a walk, didn't I? But hey ho, see what a difference just a couple of minutes can make. Finally, to finish off, I just am going to sort out these non-existent lashes. When we age, we start to get thinner, finer lashes. It's crazy, isn't it? So yeah, roots, wriggle, roll, right to the root, twist and roll, and these are going to give me fanned out, separated, elegant lashes. So, and it will last all day. It doesn't smudge, doesn't run, doesn't flake. It is the ultimate everyday mascara, and very quickly you can see the difference between my 2 eyes. That's just one tiny coat, so I better do the other side. I didn't actually put it back in because I don't really need to at the moment because the brush is quite dry, but there's enough product on there so that it doesn't clump and it doesn't smudge. So I'm getting it to the roots, I'm wriggle and rolling, Excuse the new puppy in the background. She's not happy that I'm not paying her attention in this moment. But I said I just needed to do my makeup for 2 minutes. So she's downstairs. We're supposed to be having a snooze, but she can hear me. There you go. What do you think about that? So that has literally lifted my lashes. They will last all day. Beautiful, fanned out, elegant. And I didn't even put the brush back in to do that. Look at it. It looks really clumpy and dry, and you think, oh God, that's not going to make any difference to my lashes. It's going to make them clumpy. But look, they're just fabulous. VLM, the ultimate everyday mascara. Have a fab day, everyone.